Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel and welcome to Snowshill. I've turned the wrong way, look, it's that way. But look, there's the first shop, just right there. Look at all those beautiful cottages and houses there. So we're in Snowshill today, a lovely little Cotswold village. My aim is basically just to go around all the villages basically in the Cotswolds. So if you're UK based or you're not UK based, but you've got access to Google Maps, which I'm sure you have because you're watching this video, so you've got the internet. But yeah, if you've got access to Google Maps, then drop on. If there's a place in the Cotswolds you like the look of, you want some photos from, let me know. I'll do my best to make my way over there and take some shots. So today, as ever, we're just going to wander around Snowshill, going to take some pictures. Like I say, we've got these beautiful cottages just up there. We've still got a bit of colour, a bit of summer colour, so we can use that, try and compose some great shots. There's a lovely church just to my right. We've got the pub just there. There's some lovely houses. As I was driving in, you know, all these places, like I say, I've walked my dogs to a lot of these places, but I've never actually stopped and taken some photos. So now's the time to do that. Let's strap on the, that sounded terrible. Let's just put the chesty on with the action camera and I'll get going. So here we are, as I just said on the intro video, just walking up for the first shot now. If we look at it on the camera, F11, I'm going to focus basically on the lovely rose bushes out in front. I wish this bin wasn't here, this recycling bin, but here's, we're going for F11, straight up the street. I think that could come out quite nice. Yeah, recently I've started to get a bit of an obsession with taking photos of doors. I like doors. So obviously we're going to go for horizontal. No, we're not. We're going to go for vertical. We're going to zoom in on that door just to get a bit of the steps out of the way. I'm going to bring it right down actually. I want an f2.8 on this, just to maybe focus on the door, blur everything else out. Lovely. And for anyone wondering, I was about 35mm. So I guess roughly 50-55 full frame equivalent. I mean, look at how beautiful and colourful these cottages are. That is amazing. That is fantastic. So I'm going to come straight out, 18mm, focus directly in front, straight on that rose bush. I want everything in focus. So I'm going to go for an F13. Unlucky, I may be lucky for some. 1/30 of a second, so just got to be careful with some of these shutter speeds because they're getting a little bit low for handheld, especially with no stabilisation with these two guys. So if we're walking up now, we've got another one of these beautiful curved cottage sort of views. But there's a car there this time, so not winning much today. That's going to make for a fantastic shot. And I actually want to focus. If we look, I want to focus over here. So we're going to track that inside there, because I think that is a great place to track. I'm not sure why, you know, it's still in the learning and development phase for me, I guess, looking at compositions or whatever. I suppose at the minute, I'm just taking photos I like the look of. I look at that building with those two big tall chimneys. That's got to be worth a shot as well, hasn't it? Once this car passes. Oh. Get the car out of the way. Focus on the window. Beautiful. Oh, bloke's just gone into that thing and he's just shut the door. Missed the action shot, would you believe it? Is there any landscape? Oh, there most certainly is, but you can't see. Let me take a photo and I'll pop it on screen. So yeah, while I was on this photo walk, as I was saying, I guess it's all a learning game and it's all about just having fun. You know, I'm not in this to get stressed and to make money. You know, it'd be amazing if I can get to that level of subscribers and make a few quid, but it's not paramount for me, and it's just about enjoying it. I enjoy walking, it's good for me, I'm in the fresh air. I enjoy taking photos, I enjoy putting the videos together. So yeah, it's win-win really, but hopefully the videos get better. I know the editing's getting better, but are the photos getting better? Who knows? You tell me, you let me know in the comments. Interaction. Oh, again. That is beautiful, that. Yeah, this place is stunning, isn't it? See, just walking down the street, and I come across here, I'm just looking through these bushes. I've come across this beautiful roof with the gate. I really like it, but I want it just sort of the gate in focus. I'm going to go down to about F4. I'm going to focus on the gate. Again, we've got the recycling bin, so this isn't the day to come, but I genuinely think that, yeah, I like that. That's a great photo. Actually, the blue may not be too bad. It adds a bit of colour. It's a little bit distracting, but hey, you can't win them all. Oh, some of the people are taking some photos. That's what it's all about, isn't it? That new iPhone 14 Pro, the camera on that looks incredible. Bit of a sidetrack, I know, but the camera looks absolutely amazing with all the stuff it can do. But yeah, all roofs, lovely. There's something about, whether it's a post box or whether it's an old phone box, you just got to get a photo. It's like obligatory if there's one. But anyway, let's talk about this church. So I've just had to wait for literally every American tour bus to come. If I pan the camera, I don't know if you can see them. They're all down there. There's tons and tons. There's about 4 turned up and they're all like, we're ruining your shot, you're ruining your shot. Nah, I got all day. I haven't got all day on battery though. But yeah, this is the main attraction I think that I wanted to take a photo of. And it's just this church. You know, it's amazing. We've got all these different bits and pieces that are in the way. You've got this little, that's embarrassing, I don't know what that's called. That's a headstone type, very fancy headstone. You've got all the different bushes and you can get some real nice low down photos where you can get some good compositions. So I'm going to take a few photos now. I want to flash up a little bit of a slideshow. Also, one thing to note, if you're using the Sigma 1850 f2.8, can't speak today, you definitely still need an ND filter, variable ND, because I'm up at about, I'm at f13, just so I'm not literally whiter than I am. White, as in the back, white. You know what I mean. Let's just take some photos. Also, I've just had quite a large conversation with an American lady, and I told her that I did this as a part-time job because my channel was good. So please like and subscribe. So yeah, I've just spoke to an American lady, one of the tourists, beautiful, lovely woman actually, but I told her basically my channel was massive and that I was making loads of money, so, and she's going to check me out, and I couldn't lie, so now's your opportunity to subscribe to the channel. Give me at least a few more people so I don't look that terrible. That would be great. Thank you. Oh, gravel leading lines. We love some of those with a woman walking on them. Go on. There's the silver lining. I can't see the screen. That's, God, I can't see the screen. Come on. Lovely. It's always great to have people in the shop. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but I'm basically just perching myself on this brick wall, just trying to get a little bit of the wall and grass in shot. Not too much sky. Focusing just above that wall. F13. I'm basically trying as much as possible just to use these beautiful houses, because I think no matter which way you compose a shot, you can get some fantastic photos. The sun's coming out. Oh, there's more cars there now than before, so this is even worse. But yeah, never mind. So I brought myself down to Broadway. I don't know what it was in Snowshill. It was just something which I felt rushed. I felt like I wasn't really feeling it. I think I've got some good shots, but I don't know, there was something about it that I didn't quite like. It was a bit busy, but I've just driven through Broadway. It's busier with traffic, it's a busier place, but oh my God, it's very busy, very touristy, and I thought that had started to die down by now, but it hasn't. But let's see if we can get some great action shots instead. I'm going to switch out, I'm going to get rid of the 18-50, and I'm going to stick on a 85mm, so we're going to be about 127mm full frame equivalent. Let's see if we can get some good shots with that. So we're now just walking into the heart of Broadway, I guess. It's for sale signs. I do like the look of that clock. We can get a good shot of that. Perhaps I'll turn the camera on. Idiot. So coming up on a lot more people now, a lot busier. More shops down here. People sitting on benches. Just to see what we can find, what we can shoot. Beautiful place though. Oh, here we go. Now there's some shots. Lovely old building. You can't beat a good, lovely old building. This is a shot outside that cafe. The answer is sort of. It's a bit busy. See, this is where the 85mm on APS-C is too much, too zoomed in. I'm going to go downwind if you like and look back upstream towards that. Oh yes, fruit and veg, that's perfect that. Yeah, those apples are fantastic. Just a little old cart, Broadway deli on it. I'm going to get everything in focus here, so I'm going to go for F11, I like F11. Excellent. Oh, I think it's going to be the final shot of the shoot. Really like these two houses over here, but quite a lot of overhanging tree there. See what we can do. Like I say, I've got the 85mm on, so I can't get too close otherwise. That's just too zoomed in. Let's have a look. What's it look like from here? Oh yeah, that's nice. I like that. I think I want to get a bit lower though. Just to bring the trees in. I don't want so much tree there. So F4. Yeah, I like that. There's a bit of mystery, a bit of intrigue about the house. So head back to the car. So I've just made it back to the car. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, enjoyed Snowshill and a bit of Broadway, not too much. I'm thinking to just get the timers a little bit better. But as ever, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Journey we're on and all that good stuff. So I hope you liked the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. Highly appreciated. Lots more to come, lots more Cotswold walks. Like I said in the beginning of the video, let me know if there's places in the Cotswold that you want me to do some photos of. More than happy to do so. I'm going to end this video here because I need to start the car because as you can see, it's so hot in here, I'm going to melt. So hope you guys have a great day and I'll catch you in the next one.